Okay, so I've colored the frame in the dark oak. Also, the wall is a different shade. I also did the walls. Well, I did the left wall. There's a little bit of discoloration over here and over there. I'm hoping it is because I did that part last and that part still has to dry, and it isn't because I put more varnish on the last piece than I did in the middle. Let's hope it's that. We will see in a few hours, or maybe tomorrow even. I don't know. We'll see when it's fully dried and cured, and maybe I'll touch it up. If it stays, I'm gonna touch it up with some extra varnish, just so the color, um, so it's like even, and so it doesn't look like I missed a few spots. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now, and I kind of like it. Next step is to, of course, um, screw the floor down to the floor, to the side, and then I can start doing the slats, the bed slats, and the slide out parts. Ew. It's coming nicely along. That's the first one in. I'm a little bit struggling at the moment because when I calculated how much slats I was gonna need, I didn't calculate where my cabinets underneath were gonna be and where my um, slide out seat on the back was gonna be. At first, I decided to make the whole thing slide out, but then I changed my mind. I wanted to make it in two pieces, so I have like an L seat when I want to. But the problem now is that my slats don't match up with the slide out part on the back, and that's gonna create some problems because I want to have at least four slats, one on each end. If you're sitting right here and there's no slats here, then it's gonna be less strong. So I want four slats at least, but then it doesn't match up and it doesn't add up. So I'm kind of struggling right now. I'm figuring out a way how to do it, but I'm not sure yet. It's just a calculating error. I should have measured beforehand, before I made the frame and bought the slats. But yeah, we live and learn. I have figured it out. Nah, I didn't. I'm just gonna wing it. I decided, yeah, I'm just gonna eyeball it. I was looking, I was like, it looks pretty even, odd spaces. And then at the end, I'll figure something out. But it's just for sleeping. I'm never gonna see the slats anyways, just for cleaning or something. So, what does it matter? It just has to be strong enough. It doesn't have to be pretty. You're never gonna see it anyway. So yeah, let's get screwing. The light is too bright. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit worried about the strength of my frame. I'm always underestimating my ability to judge these things. I always think it's gonna be not strong enough, but like now that the slats are in, I'm rocking the van. It's really strong. It's really solid. And I mean, I can sit on it. Yeah, it's not. Of course, it's not meant to hold like 80 kilos on one slat. You're supposed to lay on it. But I mean, I love it. I freaking love it. So I just decided to go with a simple slat on the top. Like this, a really small slat. So when I slide it out, they don't fall in between. This is a really simple design. It works effectively. Hopefully I'm not gonna feel it, but I don't think I will. But yeah, slides out. And it doesn't make too much noise. We'll only see when I'm actually using the van, when I'm sleeping in it. Then I will actually know if it's any good. But in the future I can always modify it if I want to or if I need to. It's really simple design. So yeah, it's going all right. Okay, hello again. I've finished the bed. I didn't film much because it was really difficult trying to figure everything out, but I just did everything by eye. So I've attached all the slats. I've also attached a little strip on the end here so it can slide easily, and also add some support to the slidable slats. Then I also added one of those locking mechanisms so the sliding part fits nicely in place and doesn't move while driving. So yeah, the bed is now like fully finished. I'll show you what it looks like when I slide it out. This is the first part. This is going to be a little seat on the back if I want to like chill, watch the sunset, maybe eat, whatever. I have the option to make like a little couch on the back and a chill area basically. Or I can make an L shape, maybe add a table over here in the future so I can sit with somebody else inside the van and eat or whatever. And as you can see, it looks nicely. And the same for this side. This is the bed part, well, the larger part of the bed, and together with the small piece at the back, I have a like a queen size bed. I'm not 100% sure what size bed I'm gonna make yet. That's why I haven't made a locking mechanism yet to really secure the sliding part, but because now, as you can see, it's strong, but you can wiggle it around. I'm gonna make on the back something to stop it, and on the cabinets on the side something to lock it in place, so I can't or I won't break it. But that first I need to figure out how big I want my cabinets to be, how wide, because I'm not sure what size fridge I'm gonna get. If I get a small one, I can have a bigger bed. If I get the bigger fridge or cool box, whatever it's called, I'm gonna have less space. So that's gonna determine how big my bed is gonna be. But yeah, for now, this is looking pretty sweet. Yeah. So next up is probably gonna be this side unit or the long unit over there. together with electrical. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do first because I'm still waiting to get my max fan put in. Not gonna do it myself, so I have to wait like 2 months before there's another space available to make someone else do it, and then I can do the roof, then put the lights in, etc., etc., etc. So I'm probably gonna focus on the furniture first because that's the easy part. Yeah. Yeah. We'll see in the next video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm sure as hell I'm gonna film it. See you later. Bye.